Hello guys. So by this time you're watching this video, admit cards should be released, right? The idea is that first look at what is your time and what is your city that you have gotten and where is the location of the center in the city, right? These three things you should be super keen on, right? Look at the location, find the location beforehand, plan your travel, all of that. But all of that apart, can you do in the next 30 days? What is super important is that you can think of my slot is 9 to 11, my slot is 1 to 3, some numbers, right? I'm just throwing random numbers, right? My slot is this time. How do I practice myself to stay at the top of my game during those 2 hours on an everyday basis, right? If your slot is, let's say, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., you can't be sleeping at 3 a.m. every day and then waking up at 11 a.m. every day, right? If you keep doing this, then on the day of the exam, you're not sharp, you're not energetic, you're groggy when 9 a.m. happens, right? So make sure you sleep early, fix your sleep schedule, and make sure you nail it. You make sure you wake up every day at 6:30 so that you are super alert by 9 a.m. One might think of CAT as an exam where a lot of pressure is on learning and remembering and retaining all of these things, but even more pressure is on how temperamentally sound you are and how moody you are, how groggy you are. All of these things can affect your performance on the day of CAT. So make sure you prepare ahead of time, you plan and execute it, right? You can build a habit in 20 days, 21 days. I am sure even if you're a night owl, you can still figure out a way of sleeping reasonably well, like 12 or 1 instead of 3 in the early morning, and make sure you wake up by 7:30 latest, and make sure you are up and running by the time 9 a.m. happens, right? Again, this is with the example of 9 a.m. If your slot is 3 to 5 in the evening, then you should make sure you don't have afternoon naps at all for the next 20-25 days. Otherwise, then your body is conditioned to wanting that nap where you got to be super alert. You are longing for a nap, right? So figure it out. You guys are sharp. I know you can figure it out. I just want to give you a couple of examples to drive home a point, right? I hope which I did that. Best wishes for your CAT prep. Best wishes for a CAT exam from all of us here at 2IM. All the best.